Today I'm going to show you how to make an easy origami heart. Very, very simple. Probably one of the most simple ones out there. Now for that you're going to need a square piece of origami paper. Now if you don't have that, I'll show you quickly how to make one. You take a regular piece of paper and you're going to fold it diagonally like this. Now if you're a young child, please get an adult to help you. Scissors are dangerous. They can be sharp and they can injure somebody else or yourself. So please get an adult to help you with the next part. Now you're going to cut off the extra piece here. When you do that, you'll end up with a square sheet of paper. Like that. Okay? Now, I'm going to use some decorative paper I have. And if you got color on one side and no color on the other, two different colors or whatever, you're going to want to take the color you want facing up and put it underneath. Now you're going to want to fold this corner to corner in half both ways. So to start, let's do that. Corner to corner. And then unfold it. And then you're going to take your top corner and you're going to move it right down to that center point you just made. Nice and even. And you're going to take this top and you're going to fold it all the way up. Line it up with that center crease you just made. There we go. Then we're going to take these two sides and we're going to fold these in. So let's fold these two sides in. Okay. Then you're going to flip it over. Oh, hold on a minute. Okay, so we got fold the dotted line down. Oh, okay. Sorry, we got this one. And then we're going to fold from this center line that we have right here. Make it more prominent. And we're going to do it kind of diagonally, like this. I think. Where's it like that? Yeah, we're going to fold these into the center line. Yeah, I'm going to fold this into the center line, just like that. Okay, and you're going to want to fold these sides backwards. So we fold these guys backwards. Okay, you're going to fold these top points down. And you're going to flip it over, and ta-da, your heart's all done. Now, what I like to do, just to keep it in shape, you don't have to, but take a little bit of tape, Just kind of tape the points down. Just tape them down a little bit. And then I like to tape just up the center. And then there we go. Now it could be used for Valentine's Day or decorations of any sorts, Christmas or birthdays, or you could use it as a bookmark, whatever you'd like. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Have a great day.